Today we received the Kugoo V1 pedal bike. It's come all the way from China to Poland and it's come to Spain, and it was ordered from the UK. So now I'm going to open it up very quickly and let's see what it's all about in the box. Very nicely packed. Very tightly packed. And let's put that to one side. And let's get it out. Let's put that to one side. That. We'll take that. Bike is out from its box. We've got some boxes here, so let's see by opening this box what do we find. And if you open from this box, mudguard, pedals, charger. Brilliant. We like to keep things tidy, so let's put this box to one side. There's another box with it as well, so let's open that up. Instructions on charging. Seat, very important. We need that, don't we? And don't know what this is. We'll have a look at it later on. Don't worry about it. Let's open this up now. And here we are. There you go. Very easy to assemble. We've got it all nicely set up. All we've got to do now is put the seat on it, and then let's see what happens there. Okay, we've raised the handlebars up, and what we've got is the other bits and pieces were for the front seat that goes there, but I'm not going to bother with that because I don't need that. Got the cycle, saddle here, and the handlebars and the foot pedals have been fitted, and this is the charge point here. It seems to be pretty charged at the moment, because if I switch it on here, it tells me here that it's on high power. I think so, yeah. So let's just take it for a ride and see where we go. Okay, so here we are. The only other things I've done now is I put the backlight on, which is not supplied with the bike. It's a bit of a shame. For a couple of quid they could have supplied that. And here we are. What we're going to do is obviously just take it for a little spin now. Okay, so I'm taking it for a spin now, and it's very smooth, very relaxing. Not any issues at all in the assisted thing. If you just press the button, it just goes by itself as well. So it's kind of a self-driving bike. The other thing is it looks very nice. It's not kind of a small little bike that I thought it was going to be. It's quite a decent looking bike. So overall, so far, I'm pleased with it. Thank you very much.